Hey guys, it's Karrie Shust, the Essential Oil Coach, and I have a Tuesday tip for you. So, normally I'm here cooking, right? But I have been doing some gardening and hanging out with my mom today. So, I love these little peppermint beadlets. And here's the thing, I got super warm today. And so, I literally took my beadlets out of my bag because I did not, for whatever reason, have peppermint with me. And you guys can see them, they're super tiny. And you just pop it, right? You rub it in between your fingers, and you are actually able to put that on the back of the neck. And so peppermint is really great about bringing down and cooling the body temperature. But what else is cool is you can pop one of these in your water bottle, right? I have a green tea right now, and I just popped a couple of them in there. But it's a super easy way to carry and travel with peppermint. I use them commonly as a breath mint, right? Because I wanted something that's non-toxic. But because I'm not normally, right, live and cooking, which that's coming later today, but I wanted to give you a really easy tip on how to use doTERRA essential oils, because it doesn't have to be complicated. It comes in this awesome little tube. You can use it to cool down. As a matter of fact, I did parking lot Zumba last night and had peppermint with me there, and it was just very cooling. Freshens your breath. You can drink it, and it's going to bring some great respiratory goodness in your tea. So, a little trick about these sweet little On Guard peppermint beadlets. All right, guys, I will talk to you later this evening while I'm cooking some dinner. Enjoy your day. Bye.